Good afternoon, my name is Janet Hartkopt. I'm the coordinator over emerging technologies for Chandler Unified School District. My job is to create emerging technology programs within our school district, and the one that I want to talk to you about today is semiconductor. We started the semiconductor program as a result of a lot of industry requests within Chandler. We have over 50 semiconductor companies within the Chandler, Arizona area. We are located in the Southeast Valley of Phoenix, which, as we know in the news, is a really big hotbed for semiconductor manufacturing. Anybody from TSMC, Intel, Microchip, Edwards, NXP are all in our area now. And so we began this endeavor and partnering with the University of Arizona to create the first in the country's two-year CTE program for high school students at Hamilton High School in Chandler. So it's been an exciting journey working with a lot of different companies, and again working with the University of Arizona to create the curriculum, to buy equipment, to get a classroom ready. We have over 40 students who are already registered for our program. It starts in July. We were excited to have our first ever semiconductor camp last summer. Within less than 36 hours, we had 98 students register for a 40-slot program. Our program is encompassing of applied math, critical reasoning, and science, as well as all aspects of semiconductors. So we tried to build it to be very semiconductor specific, which is why I'm here at IMAPS to include packaging as part of that program and giving them that full perspective of basically wafer to packaging and out the door.